All right, Greg at Clearwater 124 again. I have been working on the P&S tire grinder. Going pretty good. This is where I am so far. I'll tell you one thing, if you don't feel like you are sitting down at a time that your patience is going to hold up, don't do this, because you need to be patient and follow the instructions. The instructions are very good. Just take your time and keep going. As you can see, there's a lot of parts left, but I feel pretty good about the way this is going. And the last picture I looked at said, this is what your build should look like at this step. And this looks exactly like the picture. So I feel pretty good about that. That's just a little update on the tire grinder. I'll be back later. See ya. Bye.